Hi, everyone, and welcome back to English Boost, the podcast that helps you speak English with confidence and ease. I'm Allah, your host and English guide. In today's episode, we'll go through 15 natural English phrases that native speakers use every single day, at work, in conversations, online, everywhere. By the end of this episode, you'll not only understand these phrases, but you'll also know how to use them in real life. So, grab a coffee, relax, and let's learn together. Let's start with the first 5 phrases. Number 1. I'm good, thanks. This is a casual, friendly reply to, how are you? For example, A says, how are you today? B responds, I'm good, thanks. And you? Try it with me. I'm good, thanks. Number 2. No worries. This means, it's okay. Don't worry. No problem. For example, A says, sorry I forgot to text you back. B responds, no worries. I figured you were busy. Number 3. That makes sense. This means when something is logical or understandable. For example, A says, I didn't go to the party because I had a headache. B responds, oh, that makes sense. Number 4. I'm not sure, to be honest. This means when you're not completely certain. For example, A says, do you think he'll come today? B responds, I'm not sure, to be honest. Number 5. Kind of or sort of. This means a little bit, not completely. For example, A says, are you hungry? B responds, kind of. I could eat something small. Mini practice. I'll say a sentence and you complete it using one of the phrases above. Are you okay? To blank. Sorry I'm late. Blank. He quit his job because he was unhappy. Blank. You're doing great. Speaking naturally is not about using big words. It's about using the right words at the right time. Let's keep going. You're doing great. Speaking naturally is not about using big words. It's about using the right words at the right time. Let's keep going. Here are 10 more everyday English phrases. Phrase 6. I'm just kidding. You say this after a joke, so people know you're not serious. Example. Wait, are you serious? No, I'm just kidding. Phrase 7. You know what I mean? You use this to check understanding or agreement. Example. It was so embarrassing, you know what I mean? Phrase 8. I guess so means I think yes, but I'm not sure. Example. Do you think she likes him? I guess so. Phrase 9. By the way, to change topic or add something. Example. By the way, did you finish your homework? Phrase 10. It depends. Means sometimes yes, sometimes no. Depends on the situation. Example. Do you work on weekends? It depends on my schedule. Phrase 11. Long time no see. Say this when you meet someone you haven't seen in a while. Example. Hey, long time no see. How have you been? Phrase 12. Fingers crossed. A way to wish for good luck. Example. My exam is tomorrow. Fingers crossed. Phrase 13. Hang on a second. Means wait a moment. Example. Hang on a second. I'll check my calendar. Phrase 14. I'm in means I agree. I want to join. Example. We're ordering pizza. You in? Yeah, I'm in. Phrase 15. Not really. A polite way to say no. Example. Do you like horror movies? Not really. I prefer comedy. Quick recap game. You meet an old friend after 2 years. You say, someone says a joke. You say, you want to join an idea. You say, you're not sure if you like something. You say, the answers are, long time no see. I'm just kidding. I'm in. Not really. Amazing job today. Let's go over the 5 key tips to help you sound more natural in English. Learn phrases, not single words. Practice out loud every day. Copy native speakers, like in movies or podcasts. Use shadowing. Listen and repeat at the same time. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Speak with confidence. If you enjoyed today's episode, follow us for more. You can find a PDF of this episode in the show notes. Practice these phrases today with a friend or even in the mirror. I'm Alla, and this was English Boost. Until next time, keep learning and keep speaking. Bye for now.